Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Seminole, Florida. It is March 9th. It's supposed to be about 82 degrees. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's warming up real nice. And I just wanted to shoot a quick video. I just bought this ZEP high output chemical sprayer. It is an easy fill, wide mouth. And it is used with professional or industrial strength chemicals. It is a 32 ounce, or if you go by milliliters, that's 946 on the capacity. And it is trusted pro quality since 1937. How can you go wrong with that? I've got it filled with my 6421 ONR clay lube. And I'm going to show you just how great this is. I just went to Lowe's the other day, pick up a few things, and I was needing a few more spray bottles. I will tell you that the first sprayers I bought, excuse my hand and reach here, I picked up I think 20 of these online, real cheap, maybe, I don't know, maybe 25 bucks, something like that. And I'm like, great, I'll have a bunch of sprayers and all this. If you see these online, maybe you're new to detailing, you're thinking about getting a bunch of sprayers, these pop not exactly like that, but as you're spraying them, this mechanism here is so weak, shouldn't really even call it a mechanism, but as you're spraying, the pressure builds and these things pop off of this. Maybe not right away your first use or so, but it'll wear quick, and avoid these like the plague. So, you know, you want to step up the ZEP sprayer. I like that it's fat. When you set it down, it's not going to tip over. It's kind of more low center of gravity, if you will. And I really like the big spray handle on it. It is very adjustable. I've got it down on its lowest point where it can just barely come out. Give it a little turn, and you've got this nice atomized type misting spray. If you want to get into a tight spot, tiny bit of twist, and you've got a nice jet spray. I used this the other day for the first time. They were listed as a new product at Lowe's. I believe they were $347, and they had a couple big boxes of them. I grabbed a couple, used it the other day, and I was really impressed with the huge high output. And of course, being chemical resistant, you can use a lot of different products like your acid-based wheel cleaners, things like that. I do highly recommend that when you're done at the end of the day, you take it off, you put it in some clean water, you run clean water through the sprayer before you put it back on your bottle and put it away, because that will save the life of the seals much better. So again, just a quick, video, but I'm about to clay this Lexus, and with my nano skin clay mitt, really, as I'll get around this car, really easy to use. It's a light pressure on the handle, so your hand's not getting tired. And I just wanted to point it out to you. You guys might be looking for a new sprayer or something like that. Go to Lowe's, pick some of these up. They're a little more pricey than some, but these ZEP sprayers are known for their longevity. So I'm hoping I get a long-lasting quality spray out of these as well. Please like, share, go ahead and give me a comment. I always appreciate those. I try to get back to everybody as quick as I can. I am working out of my new location in Seminole, Florida, and really liking having the nice big garage, heated, air conditioned, all that. But today, it's beautiful out here. I'm gonna do a full machine polish on this car. So, thanks again for being with me. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're having a great day keeping your vehicles beautiful. Take care, bye.